Hello, this is a tutorial on how to export your Blender model to an FBX file, put that into mixamo.com, and then actually get your character moving in your Unity project. Um, so, yeah, let's just jump right into it. So you're in Blender and you have your beautiful masterpiece here. Not my best work, but it'll do for the video. And what you're going to want to do is just go right up here to File, go down to Export, hit FBX. Okay. Make sure that you got low polyman or whatever your file is called down here. And come over here and hit Limit to Selected Objects because we don't want the camera or the light. We just want our character. And make sure that Z, it's negative Z forward, and up is Y up for Unity. And then you just hit Export FBX. Okay, so next thing we want to do is open File Explorer. Navigate to wherever you did that. Find your FBX file. Here it is, low polyman. And then we're going to go on over to mixamo.com. I'm already signed in, but it's really easy to make an account. It's completely free. So once you're here, upload character, and then you just simply drag the FBX file over. It's going to have you orient it. So chin right here, maybe a little bit higher, just in case. Wrists, elbows, knees, and groin. Even gives you a little bit of a layout right here. Okay. Standard skeleton, next. This might take a little bit, but we're just gonna wait because I'm doing all this in one take, just because I think a lot of tutorials skip a lot of steps, so I'm not gonna skip a single step this time. And there you have it. You got your character all nice and goofy, looking around. He's just been born, he's just been brought to life. Now you hit next. Had a previous character in there. You can just skip this. Okay, so he's clearly a little bit down in the dumps there, but don't worry. That's okay if your character's like that too. Let's go over here and search for idle. That's weird. Find animations. Okay, here we go. There we are. Okay, so once you click on that, You know what? I actually might use this. It kind of fits well with my project that this character is for. Okay. So once you find something you like, you can go over here and edit the character arm space. Let's see. His arms look a little bit too close together. um, Edit the stance a bit. Okay, that looks. I don't know about this. I might. How about this one? Okay, that's much better. Well, we'll pick this one. I think that was the one that we had before. But no, this looks okay. This looks better. He's moving around a bit, so that's good. Now just go to download. FBX, 30 frames per second, with skin. Okay, download. Okay. I'll make this tab a little smaller. Now we can actually open our Unity project. Let's size this down a bit. I mean, you could also just go to File Explorer and go to Downloads, but super lazy mode. Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. Okay, breathing idle. And then let's go over here to project. Ignore those errors. I promise I'm a perfect coder. Nothing ever goes wrong in any of my games. Drag and drop. Super simple. You're going to get this little package here. Oh, I forgot to rename this. All right. Let's head on over to our character. Right now, I have it in player body. And we are going to switch this to none. So you take this breathing, you just drag it up right over here. Whoa, that's way too big. But that's okay. Just scale it down a bit. Maybe I made him a little bit too small. It's okay. Scale him right back up. Once you've done this, go over to this. This is the animation. Don't need this anymore. Actually, in order to get it working, go over here, go to rig, switch this to humanoid, apply. Okay, back over to player body. So for the animator, you're going to want put in the avatar. Let's go to this animator over here. Okay, so animate a controller. Player animation controller. Okay. This right here is the actual animation. So on entry, it's going to go to the idle animation. And I really should change the name of this. I don't think I can. Yeah, we don't need to do that right now. But before you exit Mixamo, you can rename this and it looks way better. Anyways, now we can go to our scene. Hopefully I've done this right. Maybe I'm missing a step. But let's see. Okay, he is not moving. Ah, right here. Controller, none. Duh. Player animation controller, pop that right into there. Now this should work. And there you have it. He's moving. Now we could end this here. Just with his idle animation. He's not even doing it anymore. I'll show you how to fix that. And then we'll give him a little run animation. So the step that I missed is on this. Click on the animation. Go to edit here. Where is it? Loop time. Because you want it to just do it over and over and over. It only went through it once. Yes, save. Okay, and now he will do this forever. And that's the end of the video. You just leave him here. Just kidding. All right, let's make this guy look a little bit less goofy, if that's even possible. Just gonna go back over to Mixamo, full screen this. Now let's pick a run animation. Oh man, some of these Mixamo animations are just so silly. I don't know, man. This maybe a little bit too goofy. This is a little bit too serious. There's no combat in this game, but as you can see, there's a ton to choose from. How about this one? This one. All right, this is decent. This one's okay. This one's a little bit more relaxed. Why is he looking up? Oh my god. I like this one. This one actually looks the most natural to me. And actually, I don't think I need to really change it that much. So we're just going to go download, do the whole process again. I'm trying to think how you actually name it. Okay, well, I guess all of our animations are going to be called Mixamo.com, unfortunately. Close this, back into Unity. Running's right here. Drag and drop. And this time, it's a lot easier. Go into your animator, find the animation, drag and drop. And now we're going to have to write a bit of code. But first, make transition from idle to run. And actually, let's not make the same mistake twice. Click on the running animation, edit, rig, generic, humanoid, apply. Okay. Click on the transition. Has exit time? No. As soon as you're moving your player, you want it to start moving. You can leave the transition here, that's fine. And what we're going to do now is hit bool. Running. Okay. If running is true, then we want our character to move from idle to his running animation. All right. So let's go back into the scene. Player script. Okay, whatever. Just open it right here. It's extremely disorganized. So what we're going to do in update is type if input.getKey WASD because that's what I'm using for my character movement. We're going to go animator dot set bool. Running, I believe that's what we called it, might have to check, to true. Has a problem with this. Well, it's probably because we haven't given our player script an animator object. So go up here, type animator, animator. This is actually lowercase. Okay. Else, you know what we're going to do next? Set running equal to false. Beautiful. All right, let's see if this works. Go back into Unity. Wait for it to go. And I've now just remembered that the character running animation is not on loop time, I don't think. So we're going to change that real quick. Okay. Save. Click on your player, or player body as it is for me. Oh no, it is the player. Okay. This might cause a problem, actually. They might need to be on the same thing. But that's okay. Ah, did I forget to hit save? No, I didn't. Okay. Well, let's just check it out. And that did not work. This actually needs to be on player. Okay, well. Let's go to player, add component, animator. Let's do the same thing over again. Controller, player animations. There we go. This may have fixed it. No, it did not. What's the problem here? And there we go. Got a player running around, but he continues to run even when you stop. Well, you can fix that by clicking on your running animation, make transition, back to idle, and just doing the same thing. And we don't want this to have exit time. If running is set to false. Okay. Let's see if that works. He's in his idle animation. Can do a little bit of a jump. And it does. It works flawlessly. You got a character that can run and go back to just standing there like a goon. You're welcome. From Blender to Unity. From Blender to Mixamo to Unity, I suppose. And that's the end of the video. If this gets views, I could do a part 2. Maybe with a better character. Maybe I can even show you how to import your Blender animations into Unity. But that's all for now. Hope this helped somebody. And that's it. See you in the next one.